Good afternoon, May the 12th, 2016. Time to recap our trading in the 30-year bond. Today was the 30-year bond auction. When you have a good 10-year auction, the 30-year auction usually starts off pretty poorly. It ended up to be a pretty weak auction when it was all said and done. The market, first trade, we had all the selling behind us. We liked the short side first, but our bias for the day was to the upside. So we had a 1 to 5 recommended buy. The low was 01. We had a first sell zone was 20 to 24. Until late in the session, the high, I believe, was 21 or 22. So the first trade that showed up was a monkey trade. If you traded it perfectly, you got 12, 30 seconds. Nancy's tweezers pattern right here. If you traded it perfectly, you got 16, 30 seconds. A mean green trade was good for 2. This retest failure trade was good for 5. This retest failure trade right here, retesting that bar's high, was good for 5. This retest failure triple bottom right here was good for 8 if you traded it perfectly. The sell was a loser. We stopped out to the tick. We used a 30-second stop. This retest failure ended up making you 10 if you traded it perfectly. This sell right here was a loser. Cost us 4. Again, we stopped out to the tick. Missed the trade during the auction right in here. Let the market stabilize. Came in on this buy. Had a loser on that. Then this little 4-bar low right there gave us 30 seconds. And we threw in the towel. So we had 3 losers, lost 30 seconds. We had 11 trades possible for 30 seconds. We only count 30 seconds max when we're right, or what we get on a particular trade. So we ended up the day with 30 seconds or $750. Pretty good trading day, all things considered. We have had bigger days. If you'd like to know more about us, we're going to give you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. We specialize in the E-mini, 30-year bond, and crude oil because that's where the action is these days. In those 5 free days, you'll get to see the software, me, and the methodology work live, real time. You get all the answers you need to your questions as to whether this service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial.